turning. Keep going. Keep going. All right, right there, buddy.
Hang on, buddy. We're going to get you.
No. Damn it, can you see what I need to do?
I can't see his foot.
I can't either.
He's probably going to go straight up.
That's what I'm trying to do, and I don't want to break it. It don't want to go up. I need to stick something in there and wedge it.
Yeah,
Let me get my knife.
okay, let's. Here, I got mine. I can't
where
reach
his
it,
other
though.
foot is. All right, hang on.
See if it'll pry apart. There we go.
I can't see his other foot.
You may have to go up higher and look down and see if you can see it.
All right, Greg, go up a little bit, buddy.
Poor thing. We'll get you out of there, buddy. Let's hope the other one don't come back and attack me now. Hang on, we're coming.
All right, Ho.
Tilt it forward or something so he.
Well, he doesn't have the pins in. So I
Well,
don't... Go forward a little bit, Greg. Tilt forward. Just a little. Okay? Right there, buddy. Man, that sucker's bleeding and everything.
you just have to, even if it costs him his leg, we got to save it. Got it?
Yep.
All right.
He'll heal.
Good
It wasn't
job.
too bad.